What if you're injured in a hit-and-run car accident case in Illinois? Hi, I'm Josh Rohrscheib. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Central Illinois. I handle a lot of car accident cases, and in this video I'd like to talk about some of the dynamics that are different in hit-and-run cases. Really, for the purposes of this video, it probably makes the most sense to talk about two different types of hit-and-run cases. Cases where the at-fault driver is caught and apprehended, and cases where the at-fault driver is not caught and apprehended. So in a case where the at-fault driver is caught and apprehended, in cases that are hit-and-run cases, there are typically a few other factors at play. So typically there's a reason the at-fault driver ran, and most of the time it's because they are drunk, they do not have car insurance, or they do not have a driver's license, or some combination of the three. So if it's a hit-and-run accident and the person does have insurance, you can pursue the action under their insurance policy. And I think that the claim would arguably have more value because a jury would be likely to be angered by the bad conduct of the driver engaging in a hit and run. Also, when you are a victim of a car accident involving hit and run, the at-fault driver has committed a crime, and you may have certain rights as a crime victim in that case to be kept informed by the state's attorney's office of the status of the criminal prosecution against the at-fault driver. In those subset of cases that involve a DUI, you may also find that there's additional coverage under something called a dram shop claim against the bar or restaurant that served the drunk driver if you can prove where they got intoxicated. So those are some unique factors to hit and run cases where the driver can be apprehended. In cases where the driver cannot be apprehended, you're in a tough spot because you can't really file a claim with the at-fault driver's insurance company if you have no idea who they are. So in those cases, your only choice is to file a claim against your own auto policy, against your own uninsured motorist coverage. You may also have medical payment coverage under your own auto policy. So you should check to see what your auto policy coverage is for both medical payment claims and uninsured motorist coverage. Unfortunately, your ability to recover in cases where the driver can never be apprehended may be limited to how much uninsured coverage you have on your own policy. So for that reason, and for lots of other reasons, it's a good idea to carry a significant amount of uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage in your own policy. But that's what we look to recover your settlement from in cases where the driver can't be apprehended. If you have any questions about hit and run cases or car accident cases in Illinois, be very happy to give you a free consultation to talk through your case and give you some advice about what the value of the case might be, how to avoid certain common mistakes, what insurance coverage might be at play for your specific case. Because that's really the best way to get any kind of answers, is to sit down with a lawyer, have a free consultation, and get answers to whatever questions you may have about your specific case. Well, hey, I hope this information is helpful, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you.